Hi, I'm Tucker Kuntz, sales representative with Emergency Equipment Professionals. We're here today in Indianapolis at FDIC. I have the privilege of showing Huntsville Fire Department's new Pierce Velocity 100-foot Ascendant aerial tower. This tower for Huntsville is a flat roof that they went with to increase the aerial operations over the cab and not have any restrictions there. It's powered by a Cummins X15 605 horsepower engine paired with an Allison 4000 EVS transmission. They went with the TAC 4 independent front suspension on this truck to improve the ride quality. They went with the command zone electrical system. In that command zone display, they have a 360-degree bird's eye view camera around the truck that gives an aerial view of the truck. Huntsville also went with Pierce's Clear Sky telematics solution, which allows them to have remote access of critical data on the truck, as well as any trouble codes that may arise. The cab of this truck has 6 seats. They went with vinyl seats on this truck for ease of cleaning. They also have an EMS cabinet with custom shelving laid out to meet their needs. The 5 SCBA seats in this cab are equipped with Smart Dock hands-free SCBAs. This truck has a 300-gallon water tank with a Waterous 2000 GPM pump. They have 2 cross lays with poly trays on them for ease of reloading. This is all nicely packaged into a 42-inch pump house. There's plenty of full-depth compartmentation on this truck. They have dry deck in all their shelves as well as compartment flooring. And something that Huntsville did too is they went with electronic door locks on all their cab doors as well as their body doors. That way they can secure their cab and body when they need to. They have a hand-A reel with a 175-foot cord tied to their generator. Gives them 120-volt power. The rear of the truck is their ladder storage compartment. They have 2 35-foot 2 sections, as well as a 28-foot 2 section, a 20-foot roof, a 16-foot roof, and there's a 14-foot roof ladder on the aerial fly section of this truck. Down below is the Harrison. It's a 6 kW hydraulic generator tucked nicely below the ladder storage compartment. On the passenger side of the truck is, again, an abundance of full-depth compartments. They loaded it up with shelving, more dry deck, as well as a slide mount, floor-mounted tray with a 500-pound capacity. In the fender wells of the truck, they went with triple airball storage, as well as airball storage on the forward and rearward of the wheels. This Ascendant tower is a heavy-duty ladder. It has a 1,000-pound tip load, capable of flowing 2,000 GPM. They went with the TFT monsoon monitor, and with that monitor, they have a 1,500 GPM nozzle and a remote control, the way they can operate that monitor remotely if needed to. This purchase for Huntsville is one of 3 towers that will soon be headed their way, along with 17 enforcer pumpers and a heavy-duty rescue hazmat truck. On behalf of Pierce Manufacturing and EP, we want to thank Huntsville Fire Department for trusting us with such an important purchase. And thank you for letting us showcase it here at FDIC.